This is a Mexican street corn and pasta salad, and let me tell you, it is so delicious. Vibrant, fresh, tangy, creamy, a little bit sweet. Perfect for summer or any time of the year. Let's get started. Since our key ingredients are pasta and corn, we're going to cook those ingredients first. You can cook pasta and corn at the same time and then also char grill the corn on the barbecue, or you can buy pre-charred frozen corn and use that instead. While I like the dressing to be nice and creamy, I also don't want it to be too heavy, so I'm using a little bit of yogurt and light mayo. And my secret ingredient here is salsa verde or green salsa, which you can get from the store. A little bit of feta and spices, and you have a very delicious Tex-Mex inspired dressing. Then it's a little bit of red onion for sharpness, cilantro or coriander for that, typical Mexican flavor, and some red peppers for color and crunch and a little bit of sweetness. Then we're going to cut off the charred corn off the cob. Again, if you're using frozen corn, that would just come out of a bag and you just have to defrost it. Mix it all together in a big bowl with the dressing. This can be done ahead of time, and trust me, this is so good. A little bit of feta, a little bit of corn chips. Make it for your next barbecue as part of meal prep. You can add some chicken or chickpeas for extra protein. It's very delicious. You have to try this salad.